one of their monkeys, mapped its optical cortex to be able to figure out when you see like a flash of light somewhere, what lights up in your brain. They were able to backwards figure out what that is and then be able to induce as soon as it flashed. And so the monkey would move its eyes to flash, to the dot flash. And what they would then do is induce a flash in the monkey's brain, and the monkey would look at the dot even though there was no...
Isn't that incredible?
I have to be honest, I wept when I saw that. I can't believe that they're going to be able to do that. I think that that's really amazing that we're going to have the technology to be able to do that.
And you might be like, I'm not going to get this installed in my brain. And sure, I totally get it. But if you don't have control of your body, or if you're blind, a lot of people would be jumping at the chance.